Hi, I am Aparna from Rishi MS Engineering College, Hyderabad, from Computer Science Department. Today I am going to say about the subject of data structures. As an important topic in the data structures is the stack. The stack is a non-primitive data structure. It is an ordered list in which the addition of new elements are added into the stack and the deletion already existing data elements will be removed from the stack. That addition and that deletion will be done only at the end of top. All the deletions and insertion in the stack is done from top of the stack. The last added element will be the first to be deleted. That is the stack main principle. That is nothing but the last in, first out. As think it is an example of real world entity, this is the main example we are using. As a general, we are arranging the plates in an order. So that's why we are calling this is a linear order. So stack, this is also arranging all the plates in a stack format. So the main operations in the stack are push, pop, pick and is empty. The push operation is nothing but inserting the elements into the stack. The pop operation is nothing but deleting the elements or removing the elements from the stack. The pick is nothing but the top element, where the element is there in the stack. And then empty is, we are saying whether the elements are there in the stack or not. As this is the main operation, the stack will be look like this. The insertion and deletion will be done at only one end. As the push operation we are using for insertion and pop operation we are doing for the deletion. As one more example, as we have seen the plates, now we are seeing one of the example as arranging the books in an order. In a stack order, all the books are arranged one after the one in an order format. So when we are pushing any elements, when we are inserting any elements, that will be on the top of the stack. When we are deleting, the deletion operation will be, we are removing one of the element from the stack, that is at the top of the stack. The stack representations are basically in two types. The first one is the array based implementation and linked list based representations. The main functionality as a programming part is one of the array based implementation we are seeing. That is the first of all for any programming we have to see what is the size of the stack and where the top element to be initialized. So the size of the stack we are initializing and the top element will be -1 because initially there is no element in the stack. So it is declared as a -1. The push operations we have to see. When we are pushing, the top size will be -1. Size -1. When the top is size -1 means then it is an overflow condition. Nothing but the stack is full. So if it is the stack is not full, we have to go for else part as a increasing the top values. Increasing the top values as a new element will be pushed into the stack. Whereas the pop operation. The pop operation is also nothing but as we seen earlier, the top -1. So when the operation is top is -1, it is an underflow condition, nothing but the stack is an empty. Else there are some elements in the stack, so we have to remove the top elements as a decrementing the top values. As the insertion operations we are representing in the example format. So the top value is -1. It is nothing but empty. So when we are pushing one of the element, as a push element is 1, the top value will be from -1 to 0, it is incremented. When we are pushing the second element as a 2, the top value again incremented by 1. When we are pushing the third element, the third number, so the top value is again incremented. The push value is 4, the top value will be again incremented. As the top value will be the 3. So for the deletion operation, For the deletion operation, the top value, as all the numbers we have pushed into the stack, the top value is 3. When we want to delete the top value 3, the pop value will be 4, the deletion of the fourth element. After the deletion of the fourth element, the top value will be and 2. So, when we are deleting the top value as a, to pop the value 2, the top value will be 1. When we have to pop the value 1, the top value will be decremented. So, when at last the top value is minus 1, is nothing but the stack is empty. So, one of the main example we are using in the stack is the expression evaluations as infix expressions. Infix expression is nothing but all the operands in between the operators, whereas a prefix is nothing but all the operators are before the operands, whereas a postfix is nothing but all the operators are after the operands. These are the expression evaluations we are using in the stack. And number of applications we are having in the stack, as we seen in before, arranging the plates and the books. Like this number of application: expression evaluation, backtracking in puzzles and games, and undo mechanisms, function calling mechanism, recursions, and browser recoveries. Thanking you.